This autumn, Apple will finally release the foldable iPhone. Additionally, it will be the biggest update in the history of the iPhone, according to Mark Gurman of Bloomberg. We're talking about a practically undetectable wrinkle, a liquid metal hinge, a book-style design, and a potential $2,900 price tag. In September 2026, the iPhone Fold and the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max will be released. Rumor has it that it will come after the Pro models, possibly as late as December. Apple experimented with a variety of fold types, such as clamshell designs that fold vertically and horizontal folds into iPad-sized devices. However, Apple chose a foldable smartphone that resembles a book and is broader than tall, setting it apart from other foldable devices. When unfolded, it will resemble a cross between an iPhone and an iPad, with an iPad mini-sized OLED display and a 4:3 aspect ratio. The iPhone Fold will be somewhat smaller than the 8.3-inch iPad mini, measuring roughly 5.5 inches when closed and 7.8 inches when open. The iPhone Fold will only have two 48-megapixel rear cameras, the primary and ultra-wide, and no telephoto lens. Since there isn't room for genuine depth, it uses Touch ID rather than Face ID and has an iPad-like Touch ID power button. Both the inner and outside displays will have hole-punch cameras for taking selfies. Additionally, the internal camera may have a resolution of 24 megapixels, which would be a first for the industry. According to reports, there are no apparent creases on the 2026 foldable iPhone. Apple discovered a unique material property that helps the crease disappear in an effort to eradicate it at all costs. It has been said that the crease is almost undetectable. The crease depth will be under, according to leakers, 15 millimeters, shallow enough to be less perceptible to the touch and sight. There is a smoother, flatter transition over the fold since the crease angle is less than 2.5 degrees. Lens Technology, a Chinese manufacturer, is Apple's main supplier of ultra-thin glass. Raw materials will be supplied by Corning. The display makes use of a new Samsung panel that is 19% thinner thanks to a unique Apple trademark technology that integrates touch sensors right into the surface. Apple intends to use liquid metal for the hinge and amorphous metal, which is more resilient to bending and deformation than conventional metal, to reduce the crease. For the hinge, Apple might also utilize a mix of stainless steel and titanium. Titanium is used to avoid bending in stress-bearing components. Aluminum is lightweight and effective in dissipating heat. Apple had to make concessions since the chassis was so thin. It contains an A20 processor, which is 30% more efficient and up to 15% faster than A19 chips thanks to TSMC's 2nm technology. 5,400 to 5,800 mAh battery. The biggest iPhone battery ever made by Apple. At 88 mAh, the iPhone 17 Pro Max presently holds the record. iOS is undergoing software updates to accommodate the larger display. Pricing is the difficult thing now. Ming-Chi Kuo, an analyst, predicts that it will be between $2,000 and $2,500, $1,800 to $2,000, according to UBS analysts. $2,400, according to Fubon Research. According to one rumor, 256 gigabytes would cost about $2,320, 512 gigabytes about $2,610, and 1 TBT about $2,900. The bottom line is as follows. With the biggest iPhone redesign ever, Apple's iPhone Fold will finally come this autumn after 10 years of speculations.